This is a Workman's dashboard help tutorial for the accounting dashboard. So like all of our other dashboards, the dashboards are showing things that are the combination of a particular status. The accounting dashboard shows things in the status of completed or invoicing, so any jobs that are on those two statuses, and also a person, so whomever the accountant role is assigned to in each job. So I actually don't fulfill any accounting function, so I'm going to select somebody that does. We'll pick Salo right here. So he has, we can toggle this down to completed. Well, looks like he's on top of his game here. Let's select someone else in our system that does this work. Okay, so Kelly has 17 jobs in the system that are currently on completed status. So these are jobs that need us to send invoices to the customer and then ultimately be moved to invoicing status. So the dashboard is showing us the accounting part of the funnel and the particular person that it's assigned to. Like all of our other dashboards, we can filter and sort by any of these column headers. So I've already shown you how to filter by status and filter by name. You can also filter by anything in the account, the amount, or the days column, or the job column for that matter. Up here we have some other tabs, like all of the dashboards. It will show any follow-ups that are assigned to various users. So Kelly up here has one follow-up that's assigned to her. You can interact with these follow-ups by clicking the white eye over the blue circle icon. You can resolve the follow-ups. You can add notes to your follow-ups, reassign the follow-up, or establish a new deadline for the follow-up. So this is functionality similar to what you might see in a CRM. It's a way for us to keep track of our communication with the customer and also maybe some internal things within the company that we need to do to provide customer service to the customer. We also have the activity stream tab, which shows up on all of our dashboards, and the activity stream shows any activities in the system over the last 90 days. So we have 68,000 items in our activity stream. Again, you can filter and sort there, and we recently added the ability to export any of these tabs to CSV. So if I wanted to export these 68,000 records to an Excel sheet or open it in Google Sheets, I can click the export button here. Same thing here, I could click this, and if I wanted to do some more analysis on these particular jobs, if I wanted to total them up, if I wanted to take a mean or an average of them, I could do that. We can do that. By way of reminder, if you'd like to turn these help tips on or off, you can go up to your edit profile page up here, click help tips, and toggle the checkmark box off and click save. Thank you very much.